Working in partnership with the learning and education team has been a very rewarding experience for me, because I've been able to share my experiences of looking after someone with dementia and all the pitfalls, all the highs and lows. And it's meant that they've had something to base their work on. I've been used as a sort of sounding block, I suppose, to say, well, yes, I think that would work, or have you thought of this? So it's been a very interesting journey, and huge developments have been made. If other people were thinking about getting involved, I would say, yes, please do it, because the more opinions that we have, the better the training will be.